In the early 1980s, one of the most iconic American brands in history was days away from disappearing completely. Harley-Davidson's long manufacturing history and cultural significance built over the 20th century. By the late 1970s, quality control issues become widespread. Inconsistent manufacturing standards damaged the brand's reputation. Cheaper, higher-quality Japanese motorcycle imports flood the American market and rapidly gain market share. Harley-Davidson's parent company at the time struggles to manage the brand alongside unrelated business divisions. A group of company executives recognizes the brand is being mismanaged and proposes an unusual solution: buying the company back themselves. In 1981, the leveraged buyout is completed, a financially risky move given the company's struggling position. The new leadership immediately confronts the core problem: manufacturing quality. Adoption of statistical process control and just-in-time manufacturing techniques, borrowed partly from Japanese competitors' own methods. The improved product slowly rebuilds consumer trust through the mid-1980s. A now famous 1987 request for continued tariff protection is turned down by company leadership, a symbolic moment showing confidence the brand could now compete without government support. The brand's cultural resurgence through the late 1980s and 1990s, becoming a symbol of American manufacturing recovery. A handful of executives who refused to let the brand die didn't just save a company. They saved an entire piece of American manufacturing identity. For this kind of interesting facts, subscribe our channel SG Nova Facts.